So, so basically, you turn this into this. Let's do it. We're just shifting some things around out here. All right, so we got a mess here. Thank God I got this mat. It tells me where to keep, whatever I'm showcasing. Guys, if you're wondering about my fingernail, I smashed it closing my car door. You know, when I see my videos, I know it kind of looks nasty or graphic. Sorry about that, but when I look at my videos, I see that my nail, and so if you were wondering about that, I smashed it. And this was like about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. So I hate that. This is gonna grow out. So sooner or later, I don't know, it's like dead blood or something. But anyway, I'm putting this here. What is this? Of course, toilet paper and a hairpin. What am I doing? Let me explain. I haven't done this in years. Years ago, when I was a little boy, I was a ring boy for a wedding. And I seen something done, when they were decorating the tables and stuff like that. Let me get this. Okay, I got it. I got a brand new roll. And sometimes some of these toilet paper rolls, it's hard to start. But anyway, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna create some kind of a flower thing. So, for you guys out there that want to impress, the ladies, or if you have, a girl, a daughter, you can do this. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna showcase it right now. I am going to grab, and let's do 3. All right, so let's get started, guys. 1, 2. All right, let's put these together. Let's do 2 more. 3 and 4. All right. So, like I said, I seen this when I was a little boy, and I never forgot it. Because I think throughout the years, I always, doing it every once in a while, doing the same thing. But I haven't done this one in so long. So, let's go ahead and do this. Let me start from here. And I hope you guys can see this good. Yeah, I see it on camera. It's coming out good. All right. Now, it might be too thick for this hairpin. Maybe I put too many layers. But I am going to do something else. Instead of the hairpin, I might wrap it with a zip tie. All right. Make sure it's nice and squashed. Let me use my leather. I do leather stuff. I don't know if you guys seen my other videos. I do leather stuff. Let me just squash it down with this right here. I hate seeing my nail on the camera like that. And I've seen other content creators here on YouTube with the, messed up nail too. And I was like, dang, he really smashed that up. And look at me. Now I got it like that. All right, let's leave it like this. So, just create a little accordion. All right. Flatten it out. Use a book or something to flatten it out. So if you want to take a hairpin, I think I did this a little too thick, but I think it'll be all right. I stole my wife's hairpin here. All right, put that right there in the center. Make sure I stay on camera. Then what you're going to do is you're going to separate these. It's going to take a while to separate these. Enjoy this while I play music, guys. Here we go. This takes forever, guys, to separate it, but that's okay, if you want to create this. So the first part of the video, I did double time. I sped up the video. A lot of my videos that you see, guys, is to not for the sake of time, I tend to speed up my videos. If you notice some of my videos, they go really, really fast. That's because I double up the speed or 4 times the speed, Sometimes you find that if you do this a little too hard, the paper will rip. Let me tell you guys a little story. Years ago, I remember they came out with colored toilet paper. and they stopped making them because it was dangerous. The chemicals that the dye had in the paper, it was dangerous for the body, so they stopped making them. Yeah, you can look it up. See, this one ripped up a little bit right here, but we ignore that, you know, you can't really tell. We got a couple more, so let me go ahead and 4 times this, the speed, and here we go. So all you have to do is just separate them, guys. Easy breezy, just like that. I could just see people trying to do this now, but it's a very simple thing to create. And I have another project, what to do with a dollar bill, guys. Something that I learned from my uncle. My uncle taught me. I'm gonna rip this part off. Sometimes you need a tool to help you separate these. It takes forever. Just take your time. All right, so I think I got all of them, right? So then what you do is hold it right here, this hairpin, whatever you call it, hold it right there and just fluff it out to the front, just like that. Haven't done this in a long time. I figured, you know, just showcase it, record it on camera, and there you go, guys. If you had red toilet paper, it'll look very nice, but it'll make red toilet paper unless you maybe like you know, spray painted, not spray, well, yeah, kind of like spray painted or something. Fluff it just like that. This one is all torn out, so I'll just take it out. Can't really tell. This one right here looks a little too long. You can just snip it. Hey, let me get my scissors real quick to make it look pretty. Okay, I'll just use my Leatherman Raptor scissors. Trim it up a little bit. This one looks a little long. There you go. Okay, look at that. Cover the center so it's not seen. Now another thing you can probably want to do if you have zip ties, I just came up with this. Let me get to my zip ties. I can't find my little ones right now. I have so many zip ties, guys. It's like I use them so many times. So let me see if I can get the zip tie, one of these. I prefer a smaller one, but let's do this one for now. Yeah, let's run it through here. Run it through here. And let's see. Here's the separation right here, guys. Right there. So instead, let's go ahead and do this instead. I never did this before with zip ties, but I'm just coming out with this right now. Let's see how it comes out. Who knows? Maybe it's better. If it doesn't come out good, that's all right. That is a-okay. Here we go. Take this out. Tighten this up. Look like it's not coming out good, but I'm gonna fix that. Turn it this way and fluff it out to the front. There you go, guys. Has a little stem now. Excellent, guys. Put this on your lady's hair or something. She'll be like, where'd you get that from? Just tell her I made it. Impress her. There you go, guys. A little beautiful flower out of toilet paper. Put this right here, maybe. There you go. You can make a bunch of them and just put them in a vase or something, you know. There you go. And that's how it holds in the back. Put in somebody's pocket, you know, in the front pocket. Just imagine that. I appear in a 3-piece suit. Put in my front pocket, left pocket. Oh, where'd you get that from? I made it. Guys, take care. Stay tuned for another video. Subscribe, hit the like button. And like I said before, I got many videos on the hard drive, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Later.
In a world full of gadgets, where to begin? Get the tips and the tricks, let the journey begin. Everyday carrier, we got the right crew. Tools in our hands, building something new. From the blazing cut to the multi-tool sprite, come discover the magic. We'll guide you right. Home Depot or the Lowe's, Harbor Freight's call. Amazon treasures, let's share it all. Subscribe to the channel, don't miss out. We're all about tools, that's what it's about. Like, share, and follow, you know what to do. With every new video, there's something for you.